Would you like to sell your home for more money in less time with less hassle? Making the decision to sell your home is a huge step for most homeowners. But once the decision is made to sell, then making your home marketable should be your number one goal. We understand the emotional attachment you have to your home, but you must be realistic about the home as well. No home is perfect, and as soon as you realize that, you're on your way to making your home more marketable. Potential home buyers want to purchase a home that is in tip-top shape, no matter the age of the home. That's why having a pre-listing inspection makes complete sense. Having a pre-listing home inspection before you put your home on the market allows you to understand any current or potential problem areas with the home that can be resolved before the buyers arrive. This will help you attain the maximum selling price for the home. Resolving problems prior to the buyer's inspection will save you money in two other ways as well. First, when you know what needs to be repaired in advance of the sale, you can obtain multiple bids for the work that needs to be done and select the best contractor at the best price. Secondly, the work can be done by the contractor in a time frame that fits his schedule, thereby avoiding the rush charges to get the work completed. Finally, there is one secret all sellers need to know. Buyers make their decision to purchase a home based on emotion and justify that decision with logic. Another thing is equally true. Buyers can fall out of love with a home just as quickly as they fell in love with it. So why let the buyer's inspector develop a long list of items needing repair, thereby jeopardizing your sale? Making the repairs in advance of the sale will save you tons of frustration and disappointment. A professional home inspection allows you to understand what issues and repairs may be needed so you have the time to get them done.